Be faithful in the small things, and God will bless you with more.
And nobody can hear you go.
So hi everyone, it's your girl Kunda. I'm your host for the Lighthouse channel, and welcome to this week's show. The show where we push for personal progress and prosperity. This week I want us to talk about, or I want to talk to the people who got side hustles. If you have a side hustle, I want to say congratulations. It's a very nice step that you have taken, and it's a very important step that you've taken. That is a great step towards financial independence. That's a great step towards starting a business that you can grow, and also just getting the experience as an entrepreneur. So a lot of people in this country, I've noticed, have side businesses, especially people who have jobs. They have side businesses where they're selling salaola, or they're making cakes, or they're selling shoes, handbags, they're doing Avon, they're doing anything that they can do to get extra income. Some people are even selling tomatoes and onions on weekends. Some people are doing farming, they're doing agriculture. So we are very active people, and we're a very active community. And I always think, I don't know why we're still a third world country, because we're hardworking people. So if you have a side business, again, congratulations, it's a very good step you've taken. So I want to encourage you. The purpose of this video is to encourage you to continue doing your side business. Don't stop doing your side business. One thing I've noticed is people start a side business, they do it for a month, 2 or 3, or maybe 6 months or a year, then they stop. Then after some time, they pick it up and they start, and then they stop. Then they pick it up and start, and then they stop. And there's no consistency. So the purpose of this video is to encourage you to never stop your side hustle. The only time you should stop your side hustle is when you're upgrading to another side hustle, or when you're growing and expanding that side hustle to something more. But don't start and stop, start and stop, start and stop. Number one, you will lose consistency. And you can't achieve your goals if you're not consistent. Number two, you're confusing your clientele. 1 minute you have these products, the next minute you don't have the products. 1 minute, you're confusing your clientele. And every time you stop and you try to start, your customers will have moved on to other businesses. So you want to keep it consistent. You want to make sure you have your customers and your clientele on lockdown, And so you have to make sure, if you start a business, you start a side hustle, be consistent with it. And then it's also very important for you to have a side hustle, because for majority of people, a salary isn't enough. Having an extra source of income will push you. It will cover some of your expenses. You don't have to pay for all your needs from your salary. You can ensure that your side hustle is paying for some of your needs. So you have to make sure that you're consistent and you don't stop. And I say this because I have seen it. I have a friend who has recently started a side hustle, and I'm very proud of her, because she used to do certain things and then she stopped. And now she started again, and I'm just rooting for her to continue doing it, because from there you can then get experience, understand the markets, understand what people need, and who knows? The Bible says, if you're faithful in small things, God will bless you with more. See? So you have to make sure that you're faithful in your dealings in that side hustle. Don't expect for you to have this big empire and think you'll be faithful to it if you're not faithful to that small project that you've started. So be faithful to your small projects, and make sure you push for them, and make sure you don't stop. Even when things are rough, keep on going. Just keep on going. Eventually you will be learning and growing and expanding. So that is what I wanted to talk to you about today. I wanted to encourage you to not stop your side hustle. Be consistent. So that is it for me today. With all the love in the world, I hope you have you're having a great week. Till next week, I love you all. Bye bye.